there's beginning to be, some reasons to question why it's supposed to be kind of almost impossible for Atiku to get to the root of this matter.
Yeah.
We're always being told that the submission of the issue that concerns the academic records of our president is actually not what he submitted ab initio, and so not supposed to be part of what he's pursuing for. But he's really filing and asking to be given that opportunity. How possible is this going to be?
First and foremost, let me quickly say that most of these matters being pursued by the former Vice President Abubakar Atiku were actually supposed to be either pre-election matters or we're supposed to have been canvassed at the lower court. We know that, you and I know, that it was after the judgment of the lower court that the legal fireworks in America intensified. And now you want to bring in a lot of issues at the Supreme Court. Please let me explain something to you. As a legal expert, seasoned legal senior in this country, I can assure you that we have a settled system of appellate courts, and we do not leapfrog in Nigeria. Leapfrogging is when the frog jumps from one point to the other, thereby exceeding a point and landing at some point. The query will be, why are these issues which should have been canvassed earlier not canvassed, and you are leapfrogging them to the highest court of the land? In legal jurisprudence of this country, it will be at the discretion of the Supreme Court to tolerate those new evidence. It's not as of right. Do you understand me?
Yes.
So it is the discretion of the Supreme Court. However, it is also been argued that equity should do substantial justice and not technicalities. So if the Supreme Court decides that this is one instance in which equity should do substantial justice and not technicalities, then they will admit those new evidence, then look at it before giving a judgment. Otherwise, the most likely scenario is that they will not be admitted. And that will be the end of those matters. And they will rule based on the facts that we are canvassed before in the lower court. And if you look at the facts that we are canvassing in the lower court, my personal opinion is that we shouldn't be shocked if those are the only things considered, that the decision of the lower court may be upheld.
Okay, then. So
it is actually the call of the Supreme Court. I think we should wait and see what they will do. But it's not as of right to bring in new matters at an appellate court.
Okay, so it's not outrightly impossible that Atiku's claims of forged certificates and all that will be upheld by the Supreme Court.
Well, that's why I say first and foremost, that is, we don't have any proof that what Atiku is saying is the position. I'm aware that the CSU, the Chicago State University, say, yeah, Tinubu graduated from their school. You see, I don't like when people mix politics with facts. That Tinubu graduated from their school has been confirmed by Chicago State University. I think the issues, let's know what the issues are. The issue is that Atiku, who is being economical with the truth because he's a politician, keeps saying, false certificate. No, which one are you?
The certificate is submitted to INEC.
You are talking about, no, hold on. The issue when he went to America is, they are now saying that the certificates Tinubu used in securing the admission to the university is wrong. But I am surprised that when they come to Nigeria, they say, oh no, he did not go to the university, he forged certificate. There are two different things. If somebody's WAEC is bad, it is bad. Yeah? If a University X in Nigeria says he graduated from us, you must first accept that they said he graduated. Now, you have to prove that WAEC. Stop saying he did not graduate. You have to prove that WAEC is bad. When you prove that one, then it simply means that every process which you use to get into that university is fraudulent. But what I see is that they are jumping into certificate. Please, let me say it for if you like, call it the 1 billionth time. Nigerian constitution, they ask politicians to go and get degree. Oh. I don't know why they are running from helter-skelter with degrees. They are not experts. You know, the problem, part of the problem is that the average Nigerian politician deceives himself that he is knowledgeable. They are not. That's why they are misruling this country. I'm telling them now. I said they are not. Most of them are not knowledgeable. If you are knowledgeable and they call you for a screening, for instance, for ministerial position, why are you going there with so many degrees? Just a screening at the National Assembly. I will go with my work. Then when I get there, tell me that because I say I'm a professor and I came with only work, why didn't I come with other certificates? I don't need to come and show you my certificates. Go and get a court order compelling me to show you my certificates. I don't have to show you. Do you understand me, Mr.
All right, sir, I do.
I do not have to show you.
Okay.
So the basic qualifications are what are the most important. Focus on those ones. If the person didn't get those basic qualifications, then he's not qualified. In which case, it's this thing fraud. And please note that whatever you are doing concerning the certificates that was submitted, you must also join INEC. Do you understand?
Okay.
Because at the end of the day, you will need a subpoena duces tecum to compare what you have. If the Supreme Court graciously allows you to tender the new evidence, to compel INEC via a subpoena duces tecum. You know, a subpoena duces tecum is an order of court solicited to compel a third party to bring a document in their possession so that we compare the two.
All right.
And if they are not correct, then you can establish your case.
Okay. Very